Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, we stopped at styling our H1, which is our heading. Now we are moving to styling our paragraph. This is my own paragraph. I am happy that I am making over 50k monthly with web design job. So I'm going to style this. For us to style our paragraph, this is now. So I do this. So this is my paragraph. Let me make it smaller. So this is my paragraph. So inside my paragraph will also have a color. Color. So what type of color do I want? Let me say red, right? I think red is okay. So my semicolon, please don't forget this. Don't forget this. My text align. I think I should just make this text align. Text align right. Okay, let me save it. Check it out and see what it brings. You can see I am happy that I am making over 50. You can see it is because the paragraph is right, so that is why it is here. So I want it to be um center. Let me say center. Let me write center so that it will be okay. Center. Now in there is the HTML. Now you can see I am happy that I am making over 50k monthly with website design job. You can see that. Now we are moving to the line height. What is line height? Line height in what's it called in paragraphs or in CSS? It is the vertical distance between text. The vertical distance between text. Let's try it by taking an example. Let me write my line height. Line height. So I have this line height. Let me make it 30 pixels. You can see, okay. Now let's run it. You can see, the space between the I am happy and with web design job. I know you won't get what I'm saying right now. Let me increase the pixel. Let me increase to 50 pixel so that you can I be 100 pixels. 60. Let's say 50 pixel. I be 60 pixels. So that there will be a great difference. You can see what I'm saying. I am happy. You can see where the with web design job is. So this is the benefit of line what's it called, line height. So let me change this to probably 20 pixel. After the line, we also have letter spacing. The letter spacing, you know the meaning of letter spacing. Letter spacing. And there's one thing I want you to know in web CSS. Anytime you have two different words, what will separate it? You are going to be using this line to separate it, this minus sign to separate it. So letter spacing, let me say my letter spacing should be 3 pixel. It shouldn't be much. 3 pixel. So save it, go to your index.html. You can see I am happy that I am making over 50k monthly with website design job. So this is the benefit of our letter spacing. You can see if I should increase my letter spacing, it should just be, be like some very like very rough. Let me just make it 10, and let's see. You can see it's very rough. What if I increase it to 100 pixel? Now that's all about my letter spacing. Now we also have column count. Column count. I think, let me just increase my, let me do another paragraph so that, okay, okay. I think it's okay like it, right? So this is it. So let me go back to my style, the CSS. Let me give this one 3 pixel, but the letter spacing 3 pixel. Okay. Now we also have, as I said, the column count. The column count. Now this column count is usually used in newspaper. Let me say 3 columns. Then index the HTML. You can see the benefits of column count. What if I say I want to use 4 columns? It's going to be split this thing into 4 different spaces. I am happy that I am making over 50K monthly with website design job. You can see it is making sense like this. So you can just be creative on your own and just be trying it and see what it brings out. That is what will make you be a perfect coder. Now let's continue. We also have column gap. We also have column gap. Let me just make my column gap to be 60 pixel. Okay. Mm, okay. What is this? Uh, okay. And there's a HTML. You can see the gap between them. It is increasing between the columns. Column gap. Column gap. So this is it here. Um. Now my style.css. This is all about the paragraph. I think I should just talk about the list also. Styling our list. Let's go. Let me fast with that one so that I won't be able to. So this is my other unordered list. I want to style my unordered list. Maybe I want to say my border style, as we talked about it in our last in border style. Let me make it solid, right? You can see. So this is my border style. Okay. I also have my border width. Border width. Let me make it 4 pixel. You can see the width is increasing. The width is already increasing. You can see. Now, we also have the border color. The border color, the border color, border color. So you can see blue. This is my border color. It's already blue. Mm, my border color. This is my border color. We also have. Okay, now I want to teach you a shortcut. Instead of me writing border style, border width, border color, that's wasting a lot of time. You can just say, let me just delete all this. So the border style, the border color, the border width, I want to make it in a very shortcut. What's this? A shortcut. Now just write border, then you list it accordingly. Border, you write 4 pixel, write solid, then you write blue, give it a space, blue. Yeah, run it. You can see this is the shortcut that you can use in styling your border. Now we also have the border button. We have the border button. The border button. Oh, I think I will stop my lesson here. The next time I will be continue from the border button. Thank you so much.